the enrolled bill was signed by the President December 30, 2024.
Correct. Correct me if I'm wrong, no, especially for those Filipinos na, to put this na maintindihan nila, simply sir, kumbaga, there's this document, this BICAM report, na pinirmahan na may mga blanco pa na items.
Yes, makikita ito, nandito sa kwan eh. Ito yung copy ng, total copy ng bicameral conference committee report. Nandito yung 222 pages. May mga vacant pages. I really don't know kung paano lumabas na may figure na pagdating sa GAA.
It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid. Hindi na pwedeng mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? Maglagay ka ng mga mga provisions, but without the true and correct items or money that could be appropriated by Congress, by the people owning the money. So everything must be explained, clear, patent, without doubt na itong pera na ito para ito sa ganito. Itong pera na ito para sa eskwelahan, ito para sa agriculture. But you do not leave any item there vacant. Itong pera na ito blanco to be filled up later on. That is not allowed by law. I would like to remind Congress. Mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it.